This video will guide you through on how you can download and install Claude desktop app on your PC or laptop. This is very simple and easy to do. With Claude desktop installed in your PC, it makes it convenient for you to use in your PC. In order to get started, simply open your browser. On the address bar, type claude.ai. Now, this will take you to the page of Claude AI. Here, you will be expected to either log in, but don't worry, just simply scroll down, click on Download Desktop App. The moment you click on it, this will immediately begin to download here for you. Of course, from here, you can see the download progress that indicates it's actually downloading. The moment this setup file is done downloading, you can just simply click on it to get it set up. Just simply follow the prompt, and then this will immediately be installed in your PC. This indicates that this is already installing in your PC right now. This is already done installing. You'll simply have to click on Get Started to start using it with your email address, and then you continue to use your Claude desktop on your laptop or your PC. Thank you.